Sige, next tayo. Pag sinabing word na common law system, gumagamit ng adversarial system yan. Meaning to say, presume innocent until proven guilty. Pag civil law naman, gumagamit ng inquisitorial. So, ibig sabihin lang po niyan, you are already presumed guilty until proven innocent. So, less right ang binibigay sa'yo kasi most likely you will be proven guilty. Pag civil law naman, gumagamit ng inquisitorial. So, ibig sabihin lang po niyan, you are already presumed guilty until proven innocent. So, less right ang binibigay sa'yo kasi most likely you will be found guilty in the end. Socialist system naman, ang sabi dito, the purpose is to rehabilitate you. Islamic system naman, based on Quran, more on positive law, okay, more on the interpretation of Quran, no, religion. Next, what is this category of comparative policing that covers 3 or more countries? Sagot no, comprehensive textbooks. Next natin is Police Major Maro, the staff of Directorate for Research Development, decided to go to Malaysia. Pag pumupunta ka na sa ibang bansa, sagot ko safari. So ito yan. Pag sabi safari method, pumupunta ka na ibang bansa. Pag collaborative, you need to, kailangan mo na makipag-communicate. Meron ka lang contact person sa ibang bansa. Pag single culture, ibig sabihin isang bansa lang ang pinofocus mo. Pag two culture, the most common kasi dalawang bansa ang kino-compare mo. Pag comprehensive, 3 or more countries ang involved. Okay? Next tayo. Pag crime control model, ibig sabihin po niyan, repression of crime. Pag due process, ang focus natin dito is more on protecting the rights of the person. Okay? Usually, ang basis natin is Bill of Rights. Usually, ang ating basis for that. Pag legalistic, ikaw yung police, ang focus mo is more on strict enforcement of criminal law. Pag watchman naman, ikaw naman yung gumagamit ng informal methods. For example, areglo, pag-usapan na lang, para hindi na mag-resort into filing a case or arresto. That's watchman. Informal methods. Pag service naman, ang focus mo is to help the community. Pag singular model, in one country, there's only one force. Pag multiple model, maraming police force. Sa loob ng multiple model, nahati siya sa dalawa. Pag multiple coordinated, although marami kayo sa isang bansa, maraming force sa isang bansa, but they do not overlap. So, coordinated, malinis, arranged. Pag multiple uncoordinated naman, may overlapping jurisdiction. Nagbabangga-bangga, nag-aagawan ng jurisdiction. Okay. Next, money laundering involves following stages. Again, tatlo lang ang stages ng money laundering ha. Placement, layering, and integration. Wala pong accumulation. So sa AMLC, AMLAC natin, the composition is tatlo. Governor ng BSP, Insurance Commission, and the SEC, okay, Securities Exchange Commission. Okay, last slide. When the government directly uses force and violence, okay, what is this action be classified? Kapag yung government mismo nagagamit ng force and violence, sagot mo, state terrorism. Next, what's the difference between organized criminal group and terrorism? Sagot mo, their motivation. Kasi ang motivation ng organized crime group, their motivation is for financial. Si terrorism naman, ang kanyang motivation naman is more on ideology. Meron silang gustong ipaglaban, meron silang belief na gustong ipaglaban, whether it's religion man siya or whether it's politics. Kaya dito, next question, anong difference ng terrorism kay organized crime? Sabi ko na kanina, di ba? Ang purpose ko ng terrorism is fighting their ideology. Okay, last question. What is the relationship between organized crime and terrorism? The relationship between organized crime, ang difference nila is that, yun nga, yung sinabi ko kanina, but their relationship, yung kanilang connection is there is symbiotic relationship. In what way? Si organized crime group kasi ang nagpo-provide ng mga weapon sa mga terrorist group. So, si organized group, nagbebenta siya ng mga weapon, mga gun running, nagbebenta siya ng mga illegal na firearm, kasi for them, business to, pera to eh. So, that's organized crime group. Sa terrorism naman, binibili nila yung mga weapons, binibili nila yung mga baril, bomba, kasi gagamitin nila to cause fear, to cause intimidation to the people and to the government. So, ang tawag nila symbiotic relationship. Okay, so that ends our last minute tips. So before I end, kasi nag-overtime na tayo, sorry for Attorney Jay, kumuha ko ng 30 minutes. But always remember this one, guys, no? Before we formally end our discussion, the best way to predict your future is to create it. So that is a famous line from Abraham Lincoln. So yung phrase na yan, ang very best example yan is ako. No? I am the very best example and the very best manifestation of this phrase. Tingnan ito, guys. Okay? Top 1 of criminologist licensure exam predicted he will become a top notcher. That's very true. The very beginning pa lang, in the very first place pa lang, Okay, I already envisioned myself, I already predicted myself that I will top the board exam. Okay, and it happened. Nangyari siya kasi ginawa ko siya. Now, in your case, now, if you want to top the board exam, if you want to pass the board exam, do whatever. Okay? Gawin mo lahat ng kaya mong gawin para mangyari siya. So, good luck guys in the board exam. God bless. Galingan ninyo. Okay? I believe in you guys. Naniniwala ako sa kakayahan ninyo. Gawin nyo to guys. Hindi lang para sa sarili nyo, para din sa mga tao na naniniwala sa inyo. Pangarap mo, nilaban mo dito. So, do your best. Give your best shot at there's no retake. Okay? And I always believe in that. So God bless, good luck, and maraming salamat. Always remember in ARC, okay, ako ay magiging registered criminologist. So thank you so much. God bless in the board exam.